I'm going to build an online store in minutes, and I'm not doing most of the work. Genstore AI agent team is. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you ever tried starting an online store, you know the hardest part isn't the idea. It's everything you have to do after the idea, right? Design the website, pick products, write the copy, answer customer questions, market, and keep it all running. It's hard, right? I know. Not anymore. Today I'm testing Genstore.ai, and yes, it's gotten a lot of attention lately, including landing at the top of Product Hunt's daily rankings. It's an AI native e-commerce platform built around a team of AI agents that help handle the work that normally overwhelms solo creators, sellers, and small businesses like us. You are still the owner making the calls, but you've got a team here to do a lot of the heavy lifting, right? And I'll do it as a real build with me example, not overnight success promises, just a practical walkthrough. You're welcome. If you want to follow along, my Genstore.ai link is in the description. Check it out. Thank you. All right, let's start building. For this demo, I'm building a niche store called Desk Setup Essentials, right? Minimal desk upgrades for remote workers and students. I'm talking about organizers, desk mats, monitorizers, lights, that kind of stuff, right? Okay. It's a great test because this kind of store needs three things: a clean design, a creative product lineup, and answers to common customer questions, right? And normally, let's face it, that's a lot for one person. Genstore.ai starts with AI onboarding now. Instead of a blank dashboard, it guides you with a few simple prompts: what you are selling, who is it for, and what style you want. That matters because most people don't quit from lack of motivation. They quit from too many decisions at once, right? Yes, indeed. So I'm choosing modern and minimal, targeting remote workers and a clean premium feel. And what I like here is it's fast, freaking fast, right? You are not stuck in setup mode for days. You get that momentum, right? Which without, you would be stuck. Next is the AI design agent. So I am aiming for a strong hero section, clear categories, and a product grid that looks trustworthy. The design agent helps shape the layout and visual style quickly. And Genstore.ai also gives you many professional design templates to pick from. So even if you are not a designer, your store can look legit without a huge learning curve. Like it so far? Perfect. Now, this is one of the Genstore biggest differentiators: speed and agentic building. Idea to a polished storefront in minutes, literally. I love that. And for creators and small businesses, that's not just nice. It's the difference between launching this week versus letting the idea sit in your nose for 6 months or even more. Now, products. Now, Genstore.ai has built-in access to millions of dropshipping choices. So you don't have to start by hunting suppliers across the internet just to find something to sell. This really matters for beginners because supplier research is really intimidating, and it matters for experienced sellers because it's slow. Either way, it's a bottleneck. So this is where AI production curation kicks in. I'm asking for bestsellers and high profit products for a desk setup niche. So I'm looking for items that make sense together, like cable organizers, desk mats, monitor stands, minimal lamps, right? And I'm also watching for a cohesive catalog because a store that feels curated builds trust, right? A store that feels random feels like a scam, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead of 50 tabs and endless guessing, I can create faster and make decisions like an owner, actual shop owner. I like that. And just to be clear, you still want to review product details, shipping expectations, and quality signals. The agent help you move faster. They don't replace good judgment. I like this. But here's the big thing. Genstore.ai isn't just a store builder. It's more like launching with a built-in team, even if you are doing this solo. Here's how the agents break down on Genstore right now. Sub agent, your project manager. You describe the goal, it coordinates next step and drafts copy. Launch agent takes you from setup to go live, it walks you through the key launch steps. Product agent helps curate your catalog and drafts product details pages. Design agent shapes the layout sections and visual style. Campaign agent helps you run promos, set discounts, and display banners on the homepage. Analytics agent highlights what's working and what to improve once you have traffic. Support agent, these will draft facts and customer replays so you are not writing everything from scratch. You're welcome. Now the point is, these aren't just assistants, right? They are built to move the store forward, so you can ship faster to your clients without feeling like you need a full team. Let me show you 3 real tasks I ran during this build, so you can see what the agents actually do on Genstore. Task number 1, launch agent. Get my store launch ready. Walk me through the essential settings like domain, payments, and shipping. Perfect. Task number 2, product agent. Generate a product detail page for my desk mat, title, short description of course, and 5 benefits bullets. Plus make sure it's SEO friendly wording. I treat it like a first draft, then tweak it so it sounds like my brand. And task 3, support agent. Draft a simple fact for shipping, returns, and common product questions in a friendly brand tone. Not legal advice, just a clean starting point so the store feels complete and professional. Bonus, quick win, campaign agent. Create a launch discount and add a simple homepage banner that explains the offer. Those may sound small, but they remove some of the biggest launch blockers. The confusion, the writing, and support setup. This is where you spend most of your time. Now let's zoom out and make this real with a case study scenario. Meet Sam, a local coffee shop owner. Sam wants an online store to sell beans, gift bundles, and simple merch. Here's how Gento.ai helps Sam. AI onboarding gets the store set up without confusion. AI design agent plus templates make it look like a real brand fast. Product curation helps build a solid catalog and bundles. The product agent drafts product pages and descriptions so Sam isn't stuck writing, and campaign agent can set promo like discount plus homepage banners. Also, the support agent creates facts so customers get answers quickly. The analytic agent helps Sam improve over time instead of guessing. That's the value. It reduces the operational burden of doing everything solo. And Sam isn't just one example. Here's a few more situations where this makes sense. Scenario 1, the creator launching merch. Now you have an audience, right? But you don't have time to build a full store. You can use the design agent to get a professional brand feel, and the support agent plus product agent to draft your store story and product pages so the store actually matches your content. You're welcome. Scenario 2, the beginner side hustler. You don't know what to sell yet, right? The support agent helps you explore niches and angles, and product creation helps you build a starter catalog without feeling like you need an MBA. Scenario 3, the busy small business. Now you already have a real product, maybe it's skincare, baked goods, or handmade items, right? But you don't have a team. The agent helps you get online faster and keep customer questions from taking over your day. Scenario 4, the seller who's tired of juggling tools. Design tools here, copy tool there, support docs somewhere else. Genstore.ai tries to bring that workflow into one place. With agents doing the repetitive heavy lifting, you will finish the website in no time. Now, Genstore.ai doesn't guarantee results, but it can remove a huge amount of friction. You still make the decisions, you still decide what you sell, what your brand stands for, and how you want to serve your customers. But you are not starting from zero. You get speed, you get structure, and AI agent team to help you move from the idea to launch without the constant overwhelm. You're welcome. If you want to see it for yourself, check out Genstore.ai with my link in the description. Thank you. Give it a try through the onboarding, browse the templates, and run a real workflow through the agent, like product curation, store copy, and facts. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment your niche idea below. I'll replay with a few angles you can test. As usual, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.